Hi guys, welcome back to the workshop. Just wanted to make a quick video this week. We've had a really nice example of a customer built car. This was bought a few years ago. It's been transformed to a Gen 2 chassis, but the customer's done an exceptional job. It's probably is the best Zetec car that I've probably ever seen that's come through the workshop. Python green. He certainly spent the money. He's had it fully panelled, painted, and then obviously he's had all the little extras, bobs. He's got the heated seats. He's got the ETB GBS gauges. He's kind of spent the money in the right places. He's looking to get the performance upgrade on the exhaust. He's got the boot cover. Everything about this car just oozes quality. Just a prime example of what you can do if you set your mind to it. He's gone to town with the little finishing touches in the engine bay. Obviously this car is currently in for IVA. It's going tomorrow. So if you're looking at it, it's got all the IVA mirrors and the bits and bobs that we go to IVA. They might possibly come off after IVA, who knows? But yeah, he's really kind of gone to theme with his colour scheme. He's painted his little water rails. He's managed to get the same colour paint. All his calipers he's had refurbished, and he's painted the calipers. Done a really nice job.